Welcome to KonnectzIT tutorials. In this video, we are going to explore how Google Sheets and Clockify can be integrated. Coming to Google Sheets, it is an online spreadsheet program, and coming to Clockify, it is a time tracking application. Now the task is how to create project in Clockify from Google Sheets. Right now, I am in KonnectzIT dashboard page. Before going to workflow, we need to authorize the applications. To authorize applications, navigate to apps page. Now search for Google Sheets, hit on that application, hit on add account. It is a auth based authorization, so here we need to select the particular account and then we need to give access for the application. So here we need to hit on continue. This is how we need to authorize Google Sheets. Now search for Clockify, hit on that application and then hit on add account. To authorize Clockify, we need API key that is present in Clockify account. Go to your Clockify account, hit on your profile, under that select profile settings and now search for API, and if you click on generate, the key will be generated and then copy the key and come back to KonnectzIT. Then you need to paste here, then hit on yes continue. This is how we need to authorize Clockify. Hit on create connects. It takes to the visual builder. Here we need to build the workflow. First give the workflow name. Now search for Google Sheets. Drag and drop Google Sheet. Select your account. Choose the trigger, that is new row in a sheet. Choose the spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet name is project list. So go to your spreadsheet. So here I have already created a column with project and description with some value. So go to your KonnectzIT account. Then you need to select the particular sheet. Then hit on test and review. Select the fields. Then hit on proceed. Select your account. So it is an important step. Here we need to add trigger. So hit on add trigger. And for select event type, we need to change it from on open to on change. So then failure notification setting also we need to change it from notify me daily to notify me immediately. Then hit on save. Again select your account. Hit on advanced. Select the link. And here we need to give access for the application. So hit on allow. Yes, the trigger is added here. Just minimize the page. Now the data is also captured. Now search for Clockify. Drag and drop Clockify. Select your account. Choose the action, that is create project. Choose the workspace. Then choose the client. Choose is project public. Then choose is project billable. Then you need to map the field from Google Sheets to Clockify, that is the project name. And then hit on test and review. Is the data sent to Clockify. Go to your Clockify account. Under projects, by the name Scralet, the project is created. So this is how we need to integrate Google Sheets and Clockify. Go to KonnectzIT account, then hit on publish. Hit on OK. So this ends your integration process. To double check whether the workflow is working properly or not, go to spreadsheet and add another one row and again go to your Clockify account, refresh. Yes, by the name Ophelia, the project is created. This is how we need to integrate the Google Sheets and Clockify. Thanks for watching the video.